Ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, so in the last class, we have done question number 3 of exercise 13.6. Yes, we have done up till question number 3 of 13.6 exercise. Third question, I did it in the class, but the last part that was supposed to be found by you, I guess all of you got it nicely. Question number 3 तक किसी को कोई problem है? Is it done by everyone? Question number 3 of exercise 13.6. Is there any problem? बोल ही नहीं रहा. Okay, so this was the last question. We finished up till this question. This question was just a comparison that you had to find out in which container the capacity is more. Since you know that one figure was given to you in the cuboidal form, the other shape was given to you in the cylindrical form, then you had to find out which is having more capacity and how much. The quantity was also find out. So for doing this question, you just had to find out the volume and then compare them. So this is what I got. The 300 was for cuboid and 385 was for cylinder. And then you subtract them. So this is the difference between the capacities of these two different shapes of containers. So this was the last question. Let us move on after this. Question number 4 says, if the lateral surface area of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeters square. So let me just write the values first. Lateral surface area of a cylinder. Lateral surface area, जिसको हम precisely curved surface area भी कह सकते हैं, both are same. Or curved surface area of a cylinder is given to you, that is 94.2 centimeter square. And the height of the cylinder was also given to you. Height of the cylinder is 5 centimeter. There are two parts of this question. In the first part, you have to find out the radius of the base, and the second part, you have to find out the volume, right? So how do you find out radius? If you see this carefully, you are known to the area and you known to the height also. So just simply put down the formula for CSA, put all the values and you will get the answer. Let us see how do we get this. What is the formula for CSA of cylinder? Lateral surface area or curved surface area of cylinder? Yes. This is 2 pi RH. Right? Whatever is known to you, let us just put them down. CS of cylinder is 94.2. We know this. This is equal to 2 into pi. In the question, they have specifically mentioned that you have to take pi as 3.14. Right? It is mentioned in the question. So let us take this as 3.14. Then radius you have to find out. So let us just keep it as r. Height is also known to you, that is 5. Right? Is this step okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, since you have to find out r, this is the only unknown value. What do we do the rest of the value? What do we do with these rest of the values? You simply bring them to the other side. And since all the values are in multiplication, so when you take them to the other side, they will be in division. All right? ठीक है ये वाला step? Is this step okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us just solve them. Let us find out what is the answer. You can cancel this with 2, or you can remove the decimals also. पहले आप decimals को भी हटा सकते हो. Let me do it on the next page. So the question was 94.2 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 5, right? So when you remove this decimal, you will be having 10, right? When you remove this decimal, you will be having 100 in division. I hope this is okay to everyone. Now this will get cancelled. You know 5 2s are 10. So I can write this. This was R actually. In the next step, you can write 942 divided by 5 2s are 10. So 10 into 314 divided by 10. This will get cancelled. 314 multiplied by what value, so that you get 942. This is directly going on 3. So that's how the radius is coming out. Radius of the base is 3 centimeter. This is done. Yes, please go through it and let me know if there is any problem in any step. ठीक है ये first part.
Yes.
Next part says that find out the volume. So what is the volume of the cylinder?
Pi r square h.
Yes, very good. Pi r square h. You know all the values, so let us just put them down. 3.14. Radius we have just found out, that is coming out 3. So 3 into 3, and height was 5. All right, that was the height. So multiply them and let me know what is the answer. 314 divided by 100 into 9 into 5. So this will be 20. You can cancel this with 2. This will be 157. 157 into 9 divided by 10. What do you get after multiplication? 135 plus 6 is 141.
141.3.
Yes. So this is the volume of the cylinder. It's all about calculation actually. If you know the formula and you know all the values, just put them in the formula and solve it. And please do not be in hurry. अगर आप बहुत ही जल्दी solve करने की कोशिश करते हैं, so most of the times you end up getting something wrong. So please always have patience. धीरे धीरे just check it out that if you are doing it by a proper method, and you will always be with the right answer. So here question number 4 is finished. ठीक है, ये यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So let us move to the next question now. Question number 5 says it cost 2200 rupees to paint the inner curved surface area of a cylindrical vessel with the depth 10 meter. And if the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, then find out the curved surface area, radius, and the capacity. That is the question. Okay, before moving to this question, let me tell you one thing, because that's how we are going to do it. If you remember that whenever we had to find out the cost, याद है जब हमें formula में like the whole area का cost we had to find out. So generally the question was given, this is kind of example I'm giving you, that how do you do this kind of question. So every time you were getting that 1 meter square area, cost of 1 meter square area is 10 rupees, right? So if the cost, assume that the total area is coming out like 50 meters square, then how do you find out the cost? Do you remember this? How do you find out cost in this case? If the cost of 1 meter square is 10 rupees, then what will be the cost of 50 meter square?
Now multiply.
Multiply करते हैं, simple. 1 meter square cost is 10 rupees, so 50 meter square cost will be 50 into 10, which is 500 rupees. Right? So that's how you find out the cost of total area. Now in this particular question, every time we have done the question where this was given to us, ये दोनों terms given थे. For this question, question number 5, we are given this way round. मतलब हमें इस बार ये दोनों चीजें given है और हमें ये दोनों निकालने हैं. Understood the concept? Earlier, in all the questions which we had done in previous exercises, you have seen that every time you are finding out the area and then finding out the cost. That was the method. हमने हमेशा यही किया है कि पहले area निकाला है, फिर उसका total cost निकाला है. In this particular question, you are already given with the cost. आप ये समझ लो कि आपको ये final cost already given है. यहाँ से आपको क्या निकालना है? You are going back. यहाँ से आपको निकालना है area. ठीक है? So let us check how do we do this question. अगर मैं आपको रिवर्स करके ये क्वेश्चन देती हूँ that if the cost is 500 rupees और वैसे जो कॉस्ट है वो 10 rupees per meter square है, then what is the area? So how do you do? You will write rupees 10 is the cost of 1 meter square area. That's how you will write. I guess if you remember, अगर आपको previous classes के याद है, so this is simply known as the unitary method. आप इसको इधर shift कर सकते हो, जो right hand side है उसको left hand side में भी कर सकते हो, right? So if you are given with the areas and the cost you have to find out, तो ये आपका cost आ जाता है multiply करने से. On the other hand, if you are given with the cost, then how do you find area? मतलब you have to go back. So we will write that rupees 10 is the cost of 1 meter square. So rupees 1 is the cost of 1 upon 10 meter square, and rupees 500 that is given to me is the cost of 1 upon 10 into 500, which is coming out 50 meter square. ठीक है? Just compare these two methods and let me know if both of them are clear or not. दोनों मेथड समझ में आ गए? कि अगर हमें कॉस्ट निकालना है, सो 1 का अगर गिवन है, देन 50 का और एनी अदर एरिया यू कैन सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई एंड गेट द आंसर. ऑन द अदर हैंड, इफ यू आर गिवन विद दिस साइड, देन जस्ट रिवर्स द क्वेश्चन. तो आप इन सारी चीजों को पहले आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लो एंड दीज वैल्यूज यू विल बी टेकन ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. सो इसको अगर आप रिवर्स करते हो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट को, सो द स्टेटमेंट विल बी 10 rupees is the cost of area 1 meter square. We are taking it on the right hand side. Then 1 rupees will be the cost of 1 upon 10. Remember, this is unitary method. We are going from 10 to 1, many to 1. So divide करेंगे. Then rupees 500 will be the cost of, since now you are going 1 to many, so you will multiply. So 1 upon 10 into 500. So that's how you're getting 50 meter square area. And if you see, if you compare from the previous part, you will see that the answer is coming out exactly correct. Answer बिल्कुल same आ रहा है. ठीक है? And this 50 meter square is the same area. 500 is the cost. This 10 rupees is the cost for the area 1 meter square. So we have just kind of done the cross, you can say we have just taken it in a cross way. जो पहले हमें यहाँ पर जो फाइंड आउट करना था, यू नो दिस वेरी वेल, जो भी चीजें हमें निकालनी होती है उसको हम हमेशा राइट हैंड साइड पर लेकर चलते हैं, क्योंकि पहले आपको कॉस्ट निकालना होता है हर क्वेश्चन में, तो आप कॉस्ट वाली चीजों को राइट हैंड साइड लेकर चलते हैं. फॉर दिस प्रेजेंट क्वेश्चन आपको कॉस्ट ऑलरेडी गिवन है, So जो आपको already given है, you always take that on the left hand side. और वहां से आपको निकालना है area. So you will do the reverse of the earlier methods, and that's how you get the area. ठीक है, ये सबको समझ आ गया एग्जाम्पल?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us do the question. Question says that the cost of painting inner curved surface area of a cylindrical vessel is given to you. So we will write, and 1 meter square का cost भी given है. So rupees 20 is the cost of painting. How much area? 1 meter square area. ये already given है, ठीक है? कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग, दिस इज द रेट कि 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट कितनी है? 20 रुपीज. हमें टोटल कॉस्ट भी गिवन है. देखो, एक छोटे से एरिया का कॉस्ट गिवन है. अगर आपको टोटल कॉस्ट पता है तो मतलब वो कॉस्ट कौन से एरिया का है? टोटल एरिया का. सो रुपीज 1 इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1/20 मीटर स्क्वायर, एंड रुपीज 200 जो कि टोटल कॉस्ट है, दैट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग 1/20 into 2200. If you solve this, you are getting 110 meter square.
110 meter square.
ठीक है? Now can you tell me which area is this? ये कौन सा area है? Read the question and let me know which area is this. 2200 was the cost of painting inner curved surface area of a cylindrical vessel. So this area is actually the inner curved surface area of that cylindrical vessel. एक सिलेंडर की शेप में एक आपका एक बर्तन है, एक वेसल है, उसका कॉस्ट आपको टोटल गिवन था. अगर ये टोटल कॉस्ट है तो डेफिनेटली जो इसके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एरिया है वो टोटल कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया है. ठीक है? सो यू कैन राइट हेंस inner curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 110 meter square. ठीक है? This is the inner curved surface area of cylinder. और अगर आपको ये समझ आ गया है, so we have finished first part up till here. यहाँ तक आपका ये first part complete हो गया है. समझ में आ गया ये पार्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone. चलिए ठीक है. So next part is you have to find out the radius. How do you find the radius? We are
CSA
going to use, yes, CSA of cylinder. What is the formula?
2 pi RH.
RH.
2 pi RH. और CSA अभी अभी आपने find out किया है, that was 110 meter square, right? Equals to 2 into pi is 22/7. Radius you have to find out. So let us keep it as R. Height is already given to you in the question, that is 10 meter. आप यहाँ पर लिख सकते हो given H is equals to 10 meter. ठीक है? Can you find out the value of R from here? कैसे निकालेंगे R की वैल्यू? What do you do with rest of the terms? जो numerical terms हैं, उन सबका क्या करोगे?
मैम इक्वल साइड के इधर ले आएंगे.
This 7 is in division, तो ये यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. This 2, 22 and 10, these terms are in multiplication, so सबको लेकर आएंगे इधर, they will be in division. This is your radius. All right. Now let us just solve it. This will get cancelled. 11 2s are 22. So 7 upon 4 is equal to radius. ठीक है? This is the radius of the base. This is in meter actually. So finally you can write radius of the base is equal to, you can write it in decimal form also. जैसे भी आपको comfortable लगे आप वैसे लिख सकते हो. 7 4 1s are 4, you left with 3 and 1.75 meter. This is the radius of the base. ठीक है, अगर कहीं पे कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो यू कैन आस्क मी, अभी किसी स्टेप में कुछ समझ नहीं आया है तो। Shall we move on now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Third part is, what is the capacity of the vessel? Can you tell me the formula?
Pi r square h.
Yes, very good. Capacity of the vessel is basically the volume, which is pi r square h. So let us put down the values. Radius was simple, 1.75. I told you can keep it either in the decimal form or in the fractional form. So अगर आप फ्रैक्शन में रखते हो तो थोड़ा सा इजी रहेगा आपके लिए. So let us keep it 7/4. Height is 10. Let us solve it. This will get cancelled. We can cancel this with 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2, this will get cancelled on 11. This will get cancelled on 5. So finally you will be having 11 into 7 into 5 divided by 4. Multiply this and let me know what is the answer. This is
385/4.
Okay, finally if you divide it, because you do not have to find any other step, कुछ और नहीं निकालना है. So let us just get it in the decimals. 4 9s are 36, 4 6s are 24, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20 meter cube. Right, this is your answer. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपका ये क्वेश्चन फिनिश हो गया. Just go through it and let me know if there is any difficulty. ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
is it okay to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Let us move to the next question now. Question number 6, which is pretty easy because you have already done that kind of question. Question number 6 says the capacity of a cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is already given to you. You know the transformation also. आपको पता है लीटर से लीटर क्यूब और इन सब units में कैसे transform करते हैं. You know it very well. So the capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel. देखो ये छोटे छोटे words हैं. Closed तो मतलब आपको समझना है कि वो उस दोनों साइड से बंद है. तो मतलब जब भी हम एरिया की बात करेंगे, so that will be for the closed. So we are going to count the upper surface, the upper circle and the lower circle also. So capacity of closed cylindrical vessel, that is given to you. What is the capacity? That is in liters. 15.4 liters. Okay, height is also given to you. That is 1 meter. So can you tell me which unit should we convert this into? This is in liter. Meter. But this is capacity. So the unit should be meter cube.
Meter cube.
So you should know the relation. The relation is 1 meter cube is exactly equal to 1000 liter. ठीक है, ये होता है relation if you remember. So 1 liter, 1/1000 meter cube is equals to 1 liter. ठीक है, यही होगा. 1000 को आप इधर ले आओ डिवाइड में. So 1 liter is 1/1000 meter cube. And the quantity you are given with, that is 15.4 liter. ठीक है. So now you can write 1 liter is equal to 1/1000 meter cube. So 15.4 liter will be, what should I do?
Multiply.
Multiply, because this is in 1 to many. So this is unitary method. Using that you will simply multiply, right? So 15.4 divided by 1000. So this will be 0.0154 meter cube. This is the volume. ठीक है, इसको आप 1000 से डिवाइड करो. सो 2 zeros इसके लिए, 1 0 ऐड करो एंड just keep on changing your decimal. That's how you do the division, I guess. अगर नहीं फिर भी आता है तो आप इसको रिमूव कर दो यहाँ से डेसिमल को. You will get 4 zeros. So 4 zeros के लिए 3 digits are there and fourth के लिए you should add a 0. तो आपके 4 digits बन जाएंगे and then put your decimal. So we have found out the volume or the capacity. How many square meter of metal sheet would be needed to make it? The question is that closed cylinder को बनाने के लिए आपको कितने area की जरूरत होगी? Can you tell me the area? Which area we are talking about?
Curve surface area.
क्यों भाई कर्व क्यों होना चाहिए? हमें तो क्लोज सिलेंड्रिकल
TSA.
वेसल बनाना है. TSA, yes. Question says it is a closed cylindrical vessel और आपको उसको दोनों साइड से बंद भी करना है. So definitely we have to find out total surface area. Now if you see carefully, total surface area के लिए you have the formula 2 pi r plus h. ये फॉर्मूला होता है. Unfortunately आपको हाइट तो पता है लेकिन रेडियस नहीं पता. So how do you find out radius? से निकालेंगे अब. Isn't it a valid question? TSA you know, but for that you need to know the radius also. How do you find radius? अब देखो सिंपल सी बात है, अगर आपको वॉल्यूम दिया है तो ये खामखा तो दिया नहीं होगा. You have to use the formula for volume to find out the radius. Let us see how. Okay, so the capacity of vessel, what is the formula?
2 pi r, sorry, pi r square h.
Pi r square h. Let us put down all the values. Capacity is 0.0154 meter cube. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is not known to you and height is 1 meter. All right. यहाँ से हम निकालते हैं r square. क्योंकि if capacity is given to you, that means you need to find out the unknown quantity and that unknown quantity is radius. So find out radius using the formula for volume and then after doing this whole thing at the end, put it in the TSA to get the area. So how do you find r square? 1 means 1 into something will be the same. 7 को इधर ले आते हैं. 0.0154 into 7 divided by 22. This is your r square. Let us remove the decimal. We will be having 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros and this will be cancelled on 7 directly. So you have 7 into 7 divided by, you can see that there are 4 zeros. So we can write 100 into 100. This is your radius ka square. You have to find out only radius. So take the square root. If you take the square root, now you will be okay with the statement that why did I do this? मैंने इसको 100 into 100 क्यों लिखा है? I hope this is clear to you now. So that this will be in the form of a pair and I can take only one as common. मैंने इसको 100 into 100 why did I do this? So that I can make a pair. अब मेरा ये 100 into 100 का एक pair बन गया है. And in the case of square root, I can take only one term common. That's how you find out square root. ठीक है, ऐसे ही तो निकालते हैं आप. So यहाँ से आप 7 common ले लो, इन दोनों में से 100 common ले लो. This is the radius. So finally you can write the radius is 0.07 meter. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Once you found out the radius, now you can move on to the question back. How many square meters of sheet would be needed to make it? आपको ये cylindrical closed vessel बनाने के लिए कितने sheet की जरूरत होगी? So let us write down the formula first. Sheet required to make closed cylindrical vessel. What is that? That is equal to TSA. वो किसके इक्वल है? टोटल सरफेस एरिया, और वो किसके इक्वल है? 2 पाई आर इंटू आर प्लस एच। ठीक है, लेट अस पुट डाउन ऑल द वैल्यूज नाउ। सो TA से विल बी 2 पाई इज 22/7, रेडियस हमने अभी अभी निकाला है 7/100, and then radius is 7/100, or you can keep it 0.07 also, either way is comfortable, you are comfortable with, कोई भी आप यूज कर सकते हो। ठीक है, so this will be cancelled, so this is 44 divided by 100 and 7/100 plus 1। अब क्योंकि ये फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में ऐड करना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा, लेट अस डायरेक्टली कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू डेसिमल्स। 0.44 0.07 plus 1, so this is 0.44 into 1.07 if you add them। now tell me what is this area, इसको multiply करो जल्दी से decimals की form में and let me know what is the answer।
0.4708 meter square.
right, 0.4708। I hope everyone is getting the same answer then।
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, ये जो क्लोज्ड सिलेंड्रिकल वेसल आपने बनाया है, जो ऊपर से भी कवर है नीचे से भी कवर है, उसको बनाने के लिए आपको इतने शीट की, इतने एरिया की जरूरत होगी। Here we have finished this question, please go through it। आप इसको एक बार फिर से देख लो। What did I do initially? देखो सबसे पहले तो आपको वॉल्यूम जो गिवन था वो आपको दिया हुआ था लीटर की फॉर्म में। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी जस्ट कन्वर्टेड दैट इनटू मीटर क्यूब। क्वेश्चन हो सकता है कि हमने ऐसा क्यों किया है, बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज ट्राई टू कीप द सेम यूनिट्स। ठीक है, तो अगर हमारे पास हाइट मीटर में है तो लेट अस, इट इज ऑलवेज बेनिफिशियल टू कन्वर्ट दिस लीटर इनटू मीटर क्यूब, और अगर ये सेंटीमीटर होता तो हम इसको सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट कर लेते सेम यूनिट्स में। एंड देन यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया। अब you know this very well that to find out the radius you should to find out the area you should know the radius also। so specifically this volume was given to you just to find out the radius, so use the formula, find out the radius, last mein you just need to put it in the formula and get the answer, which is total surface area required to make that closed cylindrical vessel। ठीक है, ये सबको
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ गया? Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, we are left with two more questions, question number 7 and 8। 7 I'll be doing tomorrow, because if we start it now it's a long question, थोड़ा सा lengthy questions है, so it will take time, so let us do it tomorrow। question number 8 is very easy, तो पहले हम 8 कर लेते हैं। ठीक है, I don't think so anyone is having any issue with that। so a patient in a hospital is given soup, एक सिलेंड्रिकल बाउल में, इस तरीके का एक बाउल है, यू कैन अज्यूम एक कप है इस तरीके का, इसमें उसको सूप दिया जाता है। हॉस्पिटल में एक पेशेंट है उसको, ये पूरा फिल नहीं किया हुआ होता, इसका डायमीटर गिवन है 7 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस इज फिल्ड विद सूप अप टिल अ हाइट ऑफ 4 सेंटीमीटर। सिर्फ 4 सेंटीमीटर के आसपास, मतलब आप समझ सकते हो यहाँ तक इसको फिल किया जाता है सूप से। दिस हाइट इज 4 सेंटीमीटर। Question is how much soup the hospital is preparing every day for 250 patients। आपको क्या बताना है कि कितना सूप हर दिन तैयार किया जाता है हॉस्पिटल में उन सारे पेशेंट्स को देने के लिए। तो सबसे पहले तो यू विल फाइंड आउट कि ये सूप है कितना, एक बाउल में कितना आता है। ऐसे आपको 250 बाउल्स का निकालना है, क्योंकि हर एक पेशेंट को अलग अलग बाउल दिया जाएगा, isn't it? Every patient is going to have a different bowl, so और हर एक पेशेंट के बाउल में इतना ही अमाउंट में सूप अवेलेबल होगा। so can you tell me how do you find out the volume, can you find out the capacity यहाँ तक की?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
so
first
tell
of all
me।
radius find करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ जी, diameter is given to you, so यहाँ से आप radius find out कर लो 7/2 which is 3.5 centimeter। height is given to you 4 centimeter। नाउ इन दिस केस डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज कि हमें तो पूरा सिलेंडर का गिवन नहीं है, डजंट मैटर, जितनी भी हाइट आपको गिवन है अल्टीमेटली शेप तो सेम ही रहेगा। अगर वो कंप्लीटली फिल्ड नहीं भी है तो भी ये भी आपका कुछ इसी शेप में ही होता है। दिस इज ऑल्सो, यहाँ तक भी ये सिलेंड्रिकल शेप ही है। सो वी कैन टेक हाइट एज 4 centimeter. Let us find the quantity of that soup or volume